Hi guys, so today we are making anda chana. It's gonna be my style, simple recipe. It's a chickpea and boiled egg recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright friends, so these are all the ingredients. They all gonna go in our chickpea and egg curry. So eggs, these are the cumins and cinnamon and some cloves. Here I have curry powder, and this is red chili powder, Kashmiri, salt, green chilies, boiled chickpeas, chopped onion and chopped garlic, and tomato sauce. Alright, so we're gonna start with the oil. I'm using olive oil in here. So the first thing we're gonna add the chopped onion and the garlic right here in the oil. So chopped onion and the garlic. We're gonna fry these guys for like 5 minutes. So for the color of the curry and I'm gonna add some turmeric powder in there. So we're gonna do the turmeric powder in there as well. It's gonna give nice aroma and the color. So it's been 10 minutes of frying these guys. I'm gonna add the cumin, cinnamon, and the cloves. So I have fried the masalas, the onions and the garlic for 12 to 13 minutes total. Now we're gonna add our chickpeas, the boiled chickpeas, garbanzo beans. Now I'm adding the red chili powder in here and the curry powder. Believe me guys, it's very easy recipe and full of flavor. We're gonna add some salt. Okay, and now we're gonna add the water in here. Once you add the water, we have to cook these guys at least for 15 to 20 minutes. And we're gonna let these guys to cook for 20 minutes. We're gonna take the eggs and put it in the boiling water. So the eggs gonna boil until they are hot enough. So we're gonna check back on these guys after 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Yeah, our chickpeas, chana look almost good to go. And the eggs are boiled, so I turned off the heat. So guys, I'm adding the tomato sauce in here. And we're gonna give it a stir. And as you can see, it's already a thick gravy. Now we're gonna add our boiled eggs in the chana curry. So now I'm gonna add the boiled eggs right here in the curry, just like that. Give it a stir, and we're gonna cook these guys for next 5 to 10 minutes. So our anda chana curry will be ready after that. So it's been 20 minutes of total cooking time. Let's go and check on our anda chana. Yum yum, it's all done. It's all beautifully done, guys. So we're gonna dish this guy out all here. We're gonna sprinkle some green chili chopped right on top. So guys, it's time for us to taste test our anda chana. Yummy. Awesome. This is like the best street food. I mean, it's amazing. You guys can eat this curry with bread, or you can make some white rice with that. It's gonna go great with that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, please subscribe the channel and like the video, and take care of yourself. Bye now. We're gonna try with the bread. Oh, the bread is super hot. And the chana. Put it right here. Fold these guys. And here you go. Awesome.